Oh my god, this thing keeps coming down. Like, this shit won't even stay up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Janice, and today I'm going to be trying on clothes that I bought from Fashion Nova. I have so much clothes that I have been buying lately, and I thought, why not do a haul? Let you guys see how everything looks. Summer's coming up, so you know. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got, show you how it fits. And this is my first time trying on most of it. I've worn like one or two of the things that I have. Side note, I'm kind of a shopaholic, so don't judge me. But yeah, let's do this. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna start off with is this top that I'm wearing right now. It's called the Noah cropped long sleeve top. I like it. It feels a little tight. I got it in a small. It feels a little like tight up here because there's like an elastic band. But besides that, it's really cute. I love the sleeves. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's the back. Next. Alright, the next thing is this top. Don't kill me, but I forgot the name of it. Everything is going to be in the description box, so please bear with me if I forget the name. This is one of the tops that I wore. I wore it out last weekend because it has like big sleeves, and I just feel like a festival girl when I'm wearing this. And I wear it with like double-sided tape, so you know we can't be having no accidents out here. Okay. Yeah. I kind of wish, honestly, that I got it in an extra small because it feels like, come on now. That's the only thing. Other than that, everybody like was complimenting this shirt so much. So yeah, it's gonna be one of my summer faves for sure. All right, so this is the next top I got. I don't really know how I feel about it. I thought it was cute on the website. Honestly, it probably just looked better on the model. But you know, off the shoulder, you already know how I roll. That's just my style. I don't know, it's alright. Okay, so the next thing I got was this bodysuit thing. I am not feeling this at all. I got it in a small. I got almost everything in a small, but I got this in a small, and I wish I had gotten it in an extra small because this thing fits so big towards the bottom, and then like the shit won't even stay up. But yeah, it's a no from me, dog. I will say that it would be cute in an extra small because then I could actually pull it up, but I've been like pushing it down so that it doesn't look like it's too big, and that's why the top won't stay. So keep that in mind. Also, if you are buying stuff from them, make sure you are willing to not get your money back on your card because they do not give you a refund, they give you store credit. And they take out the shipping price, so you're getting less than what you paid for it back. Looking out for you guys. Alright, so the next thing I got was this jacket. It's called the Born for This jacket. Oh my god, this thing keeps coming down. It's driving me crazy. Yeah. Let me not flash you guys. I bought it because it's oversized. This is a size small. It's cute like this, but I honestly bought it to wear it like, I'll show you. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Alright. Okay. So. Hold on. Okay. Alright. How do they... Oh! Okay, well, right now I look like I'm kind of trapped. I will insert a picture of how the model had it on, and that is the way that I intend to wear it, but this is all this is the best I can do for right now. Yeah, so I like off the shoulder. I love oversized, and this is both. Probably should have worn a different top under this because honestly this bodysuit is really fucking annoying, and the tag just came off so I can't even return it. Besides that, I like it. I'm gonna figure out how to wear it, and then maybe you can find it on Instagram or something, because this is just not working out right now, and I have other stuff to try on for you guys. So just keep it going. All right, so this is called the Owen Off Shoulder Set. I'm really digging it. I really like it. The only thing is, like, this is a small, but this, I wish the bottom part was an extra small and the top can stay small because this is a little bit tight as it is. There's a little bit of space like in the back. Whatever. Gotta work on my gains, I guess. Yeah, it has this like, I don't know if you guys can see it. Move back. There's like this like slit part. It's not a slit. It's like where it crosses over kind of. I just think that's really cute. I'll put a picture so you guys can see it better. I don't know if you can right now. I like it. It's gonna be my summer going out outfit at some point, I guess. I don't know, maybe I'll like it better when I have like heels on or something. Who knows? But yeah, I like it. Gets an A. Could have gotten an A+ if the bottom fit properly. All right, so this is a Shawtyyy dress. This dress is called a Shawtyyy dress. So I can't zoom out. Maybe you can like see it in the mirror. Oh, I feel bad. So this is it. Should probably have put on some lotion, but I don't really care. Yeah, this is it. I like it. The material is nice. It's like cotton or something really soft and stretchy. Arms are stretchy. It does feel a little tight. This is small, but I just wish the waist was smaller and then everything else could stay the same, because honestly I just love it the way it is. I feel like I'm about to go to like racetrack or something. Be one of those girls that like have the flags or whatever. Okay, no? Cool. It's cute, and maybe I'll wear it before it gets hot, because honestly I'm inside right now and I'm starting to like get a little hot in here. Okay, so this is called the End Game set. You know I love me a good set, baby. I don't know, it has a good like material, it has pockets and all that. I just wish it had like a belt loop or something, because this is not, if this had, let me tell you, if this had a belt loop, this would be on and popping, but I'm not really feeling the look without the belt, because then it looks like loose. Yeah, get that. Yeah, because it feels loose, it looks loose, and like it doesn't stay up. I don't know. It's okay. If it had the loops, then it'd be perfect. The top is nice. I would wear the top like with another set of pants or something. Jeans maybe. I don't know. Okay, but this is cute as fuck. Oh my goodness. Wow. Good job, Fashion Nova. This is beautiful. This is almost like the bodysuit. I mean, this is almost like the dress that I just showed you guys. It's like the bodysuit version of it, and I'm living for this. So, quick story, I got this in an extra small and a small just in case, because they were selling out like crazy. And when I tried on the extra small, I looked like an elf. Like, it was disgusting. But this is beautiful. This is a small. So, yeah. A+. Ooh, okay. So this is called the Stripe That Down dress. It's in a small. Really nice material. These buttons are fake. Like, they don't unbutton. So it's like, you know, it's just there for the style, which I'm here for, honestly. Yeah. I like this. Super duper cute. Fits really well. Yeah. Good job, Fashion Nova. I'm feeling this dress. It's just really comfortable. Like, I don't want to take it off. But I have like 4 more things to to show you guys. So, all right, so the next thing, all right, this is called the All Kinds of Reckless top, and I like it except for the fact that like you cannot lift your arms at all in this shirt unless you want to have like an accident. So either you gotta get some double-sided tape, or I really don't even know what else to tell you. Like, or you can wear like a black bra under it if you don't mind like people seeing like the bottom of it. But this right now is very annoying because I have to keep like holding it. Don't mind my bruise. Yeah. It's cute. I just wish I could, like, it's cute. I just wish I could lift my arms up in it. Okay, so now these jeans. Oh my god, my stomach is growling. I'm hungry. These jeans are called the athlete jeans. I really like them. I wear a size 3. The ends, the bottoms are like cut like this, which is the style. I think it's cute, but I love red like on pants and then like white shoes. I like these. Okay, so this is the next top I got. It's a camo bandeau. I'm pretty sure if you type that in, it'll come up. It's really soft. It fits really well, but it's also stretchy. This is a size small, like all my other things. And these jeans are from Fashion Over 2. I do not remember the name, but I'll see if I can figure it out. I'm digging it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That's all I have for today. As I said, I'm a shopaholic, so I will definitely buy more stuff soon to show you guys. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see, because that's what I'm here for. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you.